What we have here is a 2015 Toyota 86. It's based on the same platform as the Subaru BRZ. It's a 2-litre naturally aspirated sports coupe. Obviously a good looking thing, but unfortunately its looks belie its powers, only making about 145 to 150 kilowatt at the flywheel. So our customer wanted a little bit more punch out of it. So he's decided to go with a HKS Supercharger kit. So let's get it up on the hoist, get this thing fitted and see what it can make.
The HKS kit comes complete with the new V3 Supercharger that features a revised inlet pipe with a larger inside diameter, a larger pulley and the removal of the restrictor plate. Efficiency of the supercharger is enhanced by a much larger intercooler, and we also highly recommend fitting the optional engine oil cooler. The HKS kit is a high quality item and fitting is an absolute breeze with only some minor model specific adjustments that needed to be made. Here you can see just how well the new larger intercooler fits into place with no fuss at all. With the kit now fitted, you can see just how neat and factory looking it is. Now it's time to put it onto our dyno and load up a custom tune to extract as much power out of the kit while keeping it safe. An incredible 40% increase in peak power that builds right from the get-go, and an amazing 50% increase in torque right across the rev range turns this 86 into a pocket rocket. Our main focus is on customer satisfaction, so what does the owner of this 86 think of his new upgrade?
Shit, that's so much better. No massive torque dip. Oh, it's so good. And with these tyres, I've been struggling to break it loose before, because I've got 9.5-inch wheels. Just with the stock car, I couldn't do that before, even around corners like that. So they kind of grip me. That's so much better. I've been driving a whole bunch of mates' cars for a while in the last couple of weeks. It's something I've been realising that just when you can keep going up and up and up, so much better.
So job's done and another happy horsepower factory customer. If you'd like to know more about our Toyota 86 or Subaru BRZ packages, head on over to our website hp-f.com.au or call us on 1-800-GO-FAST.